Hey everybody, Ms. Dietrich here helping you on question number 3. It says, in which set do all the values make the inequality 3x plus 8 is greater than 14 true? All right, so we have a two-step inequality. We have multiplication and we have addition. And when you have both of those, to undo it, we're going to look for that add or subtract operation on the same side of the equation and do the opposite. And we're going to do that first. So that means that we're going to take care of this right here, this plus 8. We're going to say to ourselves, what's the opposite of that? And the opposite of that is to subtract 8. All right, so everything in this yellow circle will cancel out. Some people like to put a line through it. Let's copy down what we have left, which is the 3x, and carefully copy the symbol here. We have the greater than symbol, and then we'll carefully subtract 14 minus 8 and get 6. All right, when we get to this point, now we're looking at 3 times some number, which we're calling x, is greater than 6. What's the opposite of multiply a variable by 3? It would be to divide it by 3. So we're going to show division using the fraction bar, and we're going to write the 3 underneath both sides to keep it balanced. If we simplify 3 divided by 3, we get 1, and 1 times x would give us x. So x would be greater than, if we simplify this, 6 divided by 3 would give us 2. All right, now if we look at some of the options here, for example, if we look at, see how we have a 2 here? Some people are going to fall for ones that have a 2 in it, but I just want to point something out to you that's going to help you eliminate some of the choices. If we substitute a 2 in for the place of x and ask ourselves, is 2 greater than 2? 2 is not greater than 2. So that's definitely a false statement. So don't pick anything that has a 2 in it. So for example, if you look at B, don't pick this because it has a 2 in it. So really, quite frankly, just what I just said, you should be able to eliminate all but the right answer. Now, if you graph this, let's take a look at how we might graph this to help our brains process what must be true about x. If we graph this, we're going to graph the number 2. And we would say to ourselves, x is greater than 2. So that means that all the values that we would pick would be to the right of 2 on a number line. So make sure that all the numbers that you're choosing are indeed, if you were to plot them, would be to the right of 2 on a number line.